Hey guys, it's Jen. So today I'm posting a small grocery haul from HyVee. If you're not from the Midwest, HyVee is I don't know, like a Midwest grocery chain, kind of like a Kroger's or something like that. But it seems like I've been doing a lot of small random hauls this week, and that's just because I'm working on filming a freezer meal video. It's going to be a collaboration with Kira, 50 Shades of Mom here on YouTube, and so I've been kind of filming that in chunks, getting different things for that. And then also I did not do a big grocery shopping trip last weekend, and so this week was kind of just full of fill-ins. So total today I spent $91.26, but I got a few expensive items, so let me show you what I got. Okay, so first I'll show you the drinks. I got a 6-pack of this Shiner Strawberry Blonde beer. If you can find this in your area, it's really good. It's a light beer with just like a hint of strawberry flavor. And then I also got this Truly sparkling water. It's spiked. I haven't had this brand before, but I've had a different brand and I liked it, so I thought I would try this. And then we were out of vodka, and sometimes we like to do Bloody Marys on the weekend, and so I got this Smithworks American-made vodka. This is a newer brand, but if you can find it, it's actually really good vodka, and it's a decent price. This is 750 milliliters for, I think it's $14.99 at HyVee, so pretty good price. So for groceries, I got this bag of Gulf shrimp. This is 1 pound. This was on sale for $8, and this is for a freezer meal. To go with that for the freezer meal, I got this bag of chicken fried rice. I got a package of turkey pepperoni. I only need part of this for the freezer meal, and the rest of it will just be for lunches and snacks. I got a can of olives. Connor really likes those, and then I'm also going to be using those in a freezer meal. I got this AE old-fashioned cottage cheese. This is the 4% one. This is my absolute favorite cottage cheese, and we go through it really fast. So picked one of those up because we were out. Got a bag of baby carrots. We always use these. I need a couple of them for a recipe, but the rest will just be for snacks and lunches. I got a block of mozzarella cheese. I will be shredding this for a freezer meal. And then I was also out of my garlic stir-in paste. This is, you can get this at Walmart also, but it's a great product, and I love keeping it in my fridge, and it's super fresh. I don't have to chop up garlic, so love this stuff. I just got a loaf of sandwich white bread for sandwiches for the kids. Got a package of shredded lettuce. I really have a love-hate relationship with this stuff because it really is awesome for sandwiches and wraps. Like, you just can't beat like the finely shredded lettuce. But honestly, as soon as I open this package, it seriously goes brown in like 24 hours. So I'm not sure what's up with that, but as soon as you open it, you have to eat it. I got a couple of bell peppers, red and green, and then I got a tomato just for sandwiches and salads. I got a bag of broccoli florets. That is for one of the freezer meals. And then also to go with one of the freezer meals is just this loaf of garlic bread. This is a bigger loaf, and it was on sale for $2.38, so I thought that was a really good price. I also got one of these boxes of the spring edition Reese's Puffs. We do really like this cereal, and we're not big cereal eaters, but I'm going to be making some Easter lunches next week for my kids, so I thought that would be fun because they are shaped like little bunnies. I got some Barilla jumbo shells. These are also for a freezer meal. And then to go with the Asian freezer meal that I'm doing, I got some chicken egg rolls. So that's what I got. Actually doesn't seem like a whole lot for $90. But again, like the beer and the vodka that I got, that was like what, $35, almost $35 right there. And then the shrimp was around like $8 or $9. So really, like I said, not a lot of food, but just wanted to share it with you. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and do so. Like I said, I will be posting a freezer meal collaboration on the 24th, so I hope you'll stick around for that. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.